my colleague Ajay Sharma, who joins in to summarize what has transpired in Bandhan Bank's conference call with investors. Do not foresee any challenges for regular growth post RBI restrictions. Enough capacity available for the bank to grow with the current existing branch network are some of the key takeaways from that fairly exhaustive interaction. Ajay, take us through. I mean, you were logged in. What is your own opinion of how the bank has been able to allay fears so that, there's not an adverse reaction on the stock Monday morning?
In fact, Tanveer, a very important con call, on Saturday, because the news in the last hour of yesterday did come in that RBI curbs have come in on Bandhan Bank, and regulatory glare in this kind of an environment is actually catching a lot of attention. Pressure on the stock price is something which the analyst community were expecting to happen. But guess what? They actually hosted a very, widely a con call where the participation was from all domestic and global brokerages, and they have clarified that they would look for complying with RBI norms as soonest as possible. Now, they have put out three options. First of all, they have clarified that their growth will not be hampered because of RBI curbs, because they had guided for 1,000 branches, 937 out of which has already been opened. So, just running short of 40-50 branches will not really impact their growth strategy in a big way. The other thing, they said that RBI and SEBI norms were actually coming in the way of going forward and complying with the norm of cutting promoter shareholding from 80% plus to 40%. They also have made a point that though they are engaging with RBI on it, they have a couple of options in front. Either change the structure of the holding company regarding which they are talking to RBI, or issue fresh shares. This is also being discussed, or very interestingly go for a inorganic opportunity, which is buyouts. Three areas which they are interested in: MSME, housing finance kind of companies, and also MFIs. So, this is a couple of very interesting takeaways which came out, and they have said that no concrete proposal still on the table, but this is the direction they are taking. They are engaging the RBI very closely to comply with. So, this will definitely go down very well on the street when we open for trade on Monday, to calm frayed nerves. And also, of course, now a big buyer is in the market once again. Earlier it was just Kotak Bank which was seen as the big financial buyer, but now one more is on lookouts.
Absolutely.